cell in you has got its job to do in the human body symphony. Together they join in to play their parts in perfect harmony. They play in perfect harmony in the wondrous human body symphony. The heart pumps the blood with perfection, creating a strong rhythm section. Piping the air in and out is what respiration's about. Your stomach, intestines, and liver. The digestive system, you see, gives the orchestra its energy. The muscular tone, supported by bones, gives structure and flow wherever you go. And need I explain your fabulous brain? The parts large and small conducts one and all.
What are these used for? The things which you can see here, can you guess what are these used for? Like the dryer, a scissor, a shampoo. I'm sure you have guessed it right now. Yes, it is for hair. We use it for our hair, right? The comb, clips and all. Okay, who's this in this picture? Any guesses? Yes, she is Rapunzel. Who is she? What is she famous for? She is famous for her long hair, which she never cut from the time she was born. Can you see how nicely she is turning around and trying to show her hair, right? Our topic for today is your crowning glory. It's all about having a good hair day, hair science. Hair is far more complex than it appears on the surface. We all know that it not only plays a vital role in the appearance of both men and women, but it also helps to transmit sensory information as well as create gender identification. So now we know what was Rapunzel's crowning glory? Yes, her long hair. Do you think it's possible for us to have such long hair? I say yes. First, let's look at how hair grows. Children, can you see a baby in its mother's womb? Well, at this stage, it's when your hair starts growing. By week 22, a developing fetus has all of its hair follicles formed. At this stage of life, there are about 5 million hair follicles on the body. There are a total of 1 million on the head, with 100,000 of those follicles residing on the scalp. This is the largest number of hair follicles a human will ever have, since we do not generate hair follicles anytime during the course of our lives. Most people will notice that the density of scalp hair is reduced as they grow from the childhood to adulthood. The reason? Our scalp expands as we grow. Let's discuss about the hair growth cycle. Hair on the scalp grows about 0.3 to 0.4 millimeters per day, or about 6 inches per year. Unlike other mammals, human hair growth and shedding is random and not seasonal or cyclical. At any given time, a random number of hairs will be in one of these 3 stages of growth and shedding. And those stages are anagen, catagen, telogen, and again the anagen restarts. Anagen is the phase where hair is growing from the follicle. Catagen phase is where growth stops. Telogen, its resting phase, where your hair follicle is developing again to repeat the first phase. Let's look at some of the interesting facts of hair. The average person has 1 lakh to 1,50,000 strands of hair. On an average, we shed around 50 to 150 strands of hair a day. Hair is the second fastest growing tissue in the body after bone marrow. A healthy strand of hair can stretch an additional 30% when it's wet. A new hair begins to grow as soon as it's plucked from its follicle. A strand of hair is stronger than a copper wire with the same diameter. Hair is made up of mostly keratin, the same substance that makes up most of horses' hooves, mane, and tail. Well, children, have you ever wondered why doesn't it pain when you cut your hair? It's because the hair is not alive. Only the root, which is inside the scalp, is alive. As a seed needs soil, water, and sunlight to grow, so does our hair. If you want to have strong and healthy hair, we need to have a balanced diet that include spinach, berries, eggs, avocado, sweet peppers, sweet potatoes, fatty fish, nuts, oysters. But children, only having healthy food is not enough. We need to maintain our hair as well. Let's look at some do's and don'ts of hair care. Massage your scalp daily. Rinse hair with cool water. Wash your scalp, not the ends. Wash with moisturizing shampoo after swimming. Blot. Don't rub. You need to dry your hair. Use microfiber towels to dry hair. And what are don'ts? Don't apply conditioning and styling products to the scalp. Don't wash or rinse hair with hot water. Don't wear overly tight hairstyles. Don't brush or comb soaking wet hair. And don't abuse hair heat styling techniques. So, for a good and healthy hair, have a healthy diet and follow do's and don'ts. Thank you.